we had a session about nutrition from a food scientist, Dr. Madhuvanti Kale. She explained us where nutrition is helpful, why is it important in our day-to-day life.
The healthy food that we learned in this session was Nutri-Cereals. I learned that Nutri-Cereals, often millets, are a good alternative when fried or baked to unhealthy foods like potato chips and french fries.
Foods that give me energy are carbohydrates such as chapatis, rice and cereal. Some healthy foods I learned in the session were fruits and vegetables. Eating fruits and vegetables is important because they give us calcium, iron, vitamins and minerals. Making the food pyramid where we had to stick images of food groups into the food pyramid.